Mad Money Lightning Round is brought to you by TD Ameritrade, where smart investors get smarter.
It is time! It's time for the lightning round question. That's about right. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski? Yeah, time for the lightning round question. Let's start with Kurt in Tennessee. Kurt!
Mr. Cramer, how you doing?
I am doing well, Kurt. How about you?
Good. The ticker symbol is Invitae. I want your opinion on it, and where do you think it's going?
Yeah, I don't know whether it's Invitae or Invitae, so I've got to tell you. Therefore, I'm going to have to say I got to do more work on it. I have seen this stock be talked about endlessly, endlessly, and it got clobbered today. Let me come back rather than just opine on something that I can't even pronounce correctly. There you go. Let's go to Al in Illinois. Al, that's Philadelphia. Al.
Hey, Jim, this is Big Al from Chicago. Your show is great.
Oh, thank you.
About MCD, McDonald. You've been talking about post-COVID stocks and industries like airlines, cruise lines, Disney, theme parks, and others. When I go by McDonald's and drive through it, I see that they're doing really, really great. McDonald's feeds like 29 million people per day in the United States.
Look, here's the problem with McDonald's. They have been inconsistent of late, okay? And the inconsistency is driving people crazy. It yields 2.5. When it gets to 3%, even if it's inconsistent, I am going to say, bye. Now I want to go to Joe in Louisiana. Joe.
Hey, Joe. Thanks, Jim. Thanks for all your help.
Sure, man. What's going on?
I own some Facebook. I already got back my cost basis as well as locking up some profit. Is Facebook still a keeper, or should I cash it out and buy some Twitter?
Look, my travel just owns it because it is so. We did a lot of selling earlier, but it is what we have left. We don't want to sell. Why do we want to sell it? Because it's incredibly cheap. Can the stock get cheaper? Of course it can. Is it an inexpensive on its growth rate? Yes, it is. I'm taking another. I'm going to go to Matty in Illinois. Matthew.
Hey, Jim, I have a sleeper stock here. They beat earnings last 3 quarters. They restructured their business model, have $800 million cash, and I'm up over 160%. And I'm wondering if you think this is a reopened stock. My stock is Groupon.
Yes, it is. And you know what? I saw it the other day. It was like up $6 the other day, and then it was up $4. And yes, it's a reopening stock. It's a local reopening stock, and there are not that many of those, and it is one of them that works. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round!
The Lightning Round is sponsored by TD Ameritrade. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.